Good day, everyone. So today we will have your second lesson in block 8. So as you can see here on the screen, we have multiplication sentence, but there's missing 2 times blank equals 6. Can you tell me what is the missing number? Very good. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. How did you find out the missing number? Very good. By dividing 6 divided by 2 or doing the multiplication table. So this 2 times 3 is what we called factor pair. So what is factor pair? When two factors are multiplied by each other to give the number. So today we will learn how to find factors using multiplication. So this would be our aim for today. We will find all the factors and factor pairs of the given numbers using multiplication table. Let's proceed with your activity. Write all the multiplication facts for each number in your notebooks. From these facts, list the factors and factor pairs in your notebook. So let's start with letter A, factors or factor pairs of 10. Think of a two number that we can multiply to get 10. Very good. That is 1 times 10 equals 10. Another 2 times 5 equals 10. Any other? Very good. That is 5 times 2 equals 10. So as you can see, in the second and third factor pairs, they are flipped. Okay, 2 times 5 and 5 times 2. Any other factor pairs of 10? That's right. That is 10 times 1 equals 10. So what are the factors of 10? So you will just look at the number of rows or the first number that we have multiplied. The factors would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. So this is how we find out the factors of 10. How about in letter B? Factor pairs of 13. All we know, we'll start with 1. 1 times 13 is equal to 13. And 13 times 1 is equal to 13. So, what are the factors of 13? Very good. The factors of 13 is 1 and 13. So, as you can see, the factors of 10, there's 4 factors, while letter B, it's only 2. So how can we find the factors of numbers using multiplication? So always remember to start with 1, multiply the number itself. Second, go to 2 and check if the number is divisible by 2. Then always continue doing it until we reach all flip of our factor pairs. Now, let's have a more difficult word problem. Nick wrote the factors or factor pairs of 12 as 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equals 12, 3 times 4 equals 12. So what are the missing factor pairs of 12? That's right, the flip factor pairs of the following. That is 4 times 3 equals 12, 6 times 2 equals 12, and the last one would be 12 times 1 equals 12. So the following factor pairs or the multiplication sentence that we have wrote is what we called multiplication facts. Now that you know how to find factors, I want you to get your workbook and open in seat work number 2, finding factors using multiplication in page 4. So please read carefully the instruction and submit your work afterwards. So that would be all for today. Adios!